this door panel, this door panel to go back on to replace my door panel. This one is in better condition than that one. That one is in good shape, but since it was reupholstered, it's not the same color, so I don't like it. So this one I'm just swapping all the parts. But like most Mark 3s, they always stress here for laying on it with the elbow. So what we're doing, we're getting a cardboard tube. We're just gonna reinforce it by slipping it in and filling out the rest, just so it has a good reinforcement so it doesn't keep crushing in. Basically what we're gonna do to reinforce this, we got a shipping tube, slice it right down the middle, because it is a little bit thinner. So we sliced it right down the middle. I have it soaking right now. So what it's gonna do, soften up and allow us to mold it into the shape. And once it dries and hardens, it should be good enough for the reinforcement. That's it for today. Just had a little incident. I should be okay. Just gotta make sure I clean it and maybe disinfect it. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Let me know what you guys think down below. What do you guys want to see? I'm trying to push out content once a week at least. But as things are going, I'm not sure if it's gonna be possible, but I'm gonna do my best. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that, guys. Highly appreciate it. All right, have a good one.